What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to handle something that we never should have done, okay? We are going to get this exhaust fixed. I cannot stand the noise that this straight pipe on an EcoBoost puts out, especially on the 2.7 EcoBoost. I mean, you just don't do it, guys. Just like my last video showed you. I mean, it's loud. You kind of sound like you're a high school kid wanting a loud exhaust, which is cool if you're at that age and that's what you're into, but you know, I'm just not into that type of stuff anymore. So we're headed to go get this fixed. We're going to a totally different shop because the other one did a hack job. So fingers crossed that this new shop is significantly better than the old one. We're actually going to a shop called BDM Performance Exhaust. It's in downtown Denver area, and I got my fingers crossed that they can at least put this thing back to you know, something more reasonable. I think I might even put the stock exhaust, or sorry, the stock muffler back on and have them redo some piping. I'm gonna leave off the resonator because I thought it sounded pretty good without that on there, but fingers crossed, guys. We're headed there right now. I will keep you posted. Here's some food for thought while I'm driving, and I need a little bit of help from you guys as well. So in one of my past videos, I told you guys how I got the wrong truck for doing a full Baja build. And I think I'm gonna kind of go a different direction with this specific truck. I think on the next one, we're gonna do it the right way, by the right truck, the right power plant. But what I'm really looking for, this is kind of funny, guys, look at this, can you see that? Husband for hire. This motherfucker is hiring himself out. Who knows what he does, but he's hiring himself out. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go a little more of a street style with this truck because I don't ever go off-road. The only time that I ever go off-roading is when I go hunting. So I put my SVC bumper up on Facebook Marketplace and on Craigslist for trade for a stock Shadow Black F150 bumper and all the mounting hardware. So if any of you guys that watch the channel or are watching this video have that truck and want a Baja bumper, hit me up. Let's see if we can make something happen.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to...
For those of you guys who have an appreciation for supercharged cars, would love to snag one of these for the channel one day too, but you got a CTSV, but that sucker's all wrapped in pink. It actually doesn't look that bad for being wrapped in pink. Not my first choice, but pretty sweet. All right, we're almost there. We're getting ready to roll up to this shop. Hopefully they can get this done today. He said he needed to get a few things out and get things set up for me. He told me to take my time. I was about almost an hour away anyways. So you guys know I'm in real estate, so it's always nice to go to different parts of town and kind of check out the houses, see what kind of signs are in yards for sale. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is super sweet. Completely redone here. Oh, I'm about to miss my turn. Can't move that. But, you know, it's just one of those unique neighborhoods. It looks like we're kind of getting some weird snow/rain type. All right, we just rolled up to the shop and gonna go meet this guy real quick and see what we can figure out and hopefully get this done here in a little bit. Some sweet old trucks here too. So I'm not sure if I told you where I'm going, but BDM Exhaust is where I'm at. I'm inside the waiting room right now. They said it's gonna be a minute for them to get this done. So we're gonna kind of be waiting here for, you know, maybe an hour or so, maybe a little longer just to get this done, but it's something that needs to be done. This is actually pretty sick, you guys. It looks like he's worked on some choppers too and done some exhaust, but look here, BDM Performance, just so you guys have. Save that if you want their number. But that thing's sweet. He definitely did some custom work on a chopper. Got some pictures of some models. This is a cool shop. They got a bunch of vans too. All right, so we got the truck up on the lift, and even the other guy was like, yeah, you know, the welds weren't bad, but the fact that this thing's not even straight and he welded a 2.5 inch to a 3-inch pipe is ridiculous. But again, this is a super cool shop, guys. We're over here at BDM. I think I've like pointed this out like multiple times, but they're taking care of me today. I kind of called last minute because I'm just so sick of the sound of the truck. And you know, I got here and they're getting me in real quick, so you know, I'm super stoked, super happy, and we're gonna be back to stock sound here in just a minute. Thank God they could get to that as fast as they did. I need to clean my truck, but thank God they could get to that as fast as they could. They got my stock muffler back on and this thing is quiet again. I am so happy. Like, it's so weird because the old man in me is like, yes, this is great. The kid in me is like, oh, adios, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. This is my daily driver, and until I get another either daily or fun car, I would way rather have this quiet. So I'm so stoked that this is quiet again. You guys can't even hear it. Like, it's phenomenal. You can barely hear that, right? And then they actually did a damn good job on the welds for this, putting in a new pipe, putting that muffler back in. So we are solid. I am happy. This is quiet again. Let's get rolling back home, and I'll see you guys there. You guys, I love this. It's so much quieter, especially in the cab. I think that was one of my biggest complaints. You know, the noise outside was awful, but inside it was even awfuler, if that's even a word. But it's so quiet now. I love it. Now I can actually have phone calls because I tend to talk a lot while I drive. So super stoked with what BDM did. They got me back to stock, and they did it for a real good price too. They you know, they took care of me last minute and got me in there. So for any of my future exhaust needs, I will definitely be going back there. Brian, who owns it, is a super awesome guy, and he'll take care of you. So if you guys need some exhaust work, go to BDM. It's close to downtown Denver. They won't jack around, and they'll get your shit done the right way the first time. I know this sounds so freaking lame, but I am so stoked with how quiet this is. You guys just have no idea. It's so nice. That was so annoying. You know, driving an F-150 sounding like I was driving a freaking WRX or something like that. Yeah, it's just, I'm so stoked that this is how this turned out. I can't believe it. I mean, it's basically back to stock, and I don't know anyone that gets excited to go back to stock, but that would be me, and I'm super stoked. So next step, next order of business, just like I said as I was driving to the exhaust shop, I want to get a stock bumper. So again, if any of you guys have a stock 2018 to 2020 F-150 bumper with all the mounting hardware you want to sell, or maybe you want to trade it for a Baja style bumper, I'm going a little bit of a different direction. So that's the next order of business. I also have to replace my horn. The horn in this thing went out. It sounds like a little horn. So we're gonna have to do that as well. I think they will probably do that later this week, maybe next week. And then still work on trying to get a bumper and some different wheels and tires, because we're gonna make this more of a daily. So I also had some comments on Instagram saying that I should get some rock lights. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe get some rock lights for the truck after I get the new bumper on it. Not sure what color, but I'm thinking purple would be sweet. So I just got home and I'm just wrapping this up. It's so windy again. I don't know what it is. Colorado's been super bipolar and the wind has been awful lately. So it makes it really hard to film videos outside, and that's where I film the majority of my videos. So I just got home. I know it was a super quick video, but I went back to my stock F-150 exhaust, and I was so sick of sounding like a high schooler. You know, I only had it that way for about a week, and a week was long enough for me. So look at my last video. Don't straight pipe your EcoBoost. Make sure you have a reputable shop do so. If you live in the Denver area, go to BDM Performance Exhaust. That's where I went and got my exhaust done, and I highly recommend that. He actually did a great job. I checked it out this time after, and you know, I showed you guys briefly real quick what they did, and I'm just super stoked with it. So I'm so glad to be back to a stock, or at least semi-stock. I still don't have my resonator, but a stock exhaust on this F-150, and let's keep rolling with the build. So with that being said, you guys, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you really like what you're seeing, hit the little bell notification to get notified every time that we post a new video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.